Hello students, this is Ms. Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. The subject which we are going to study in today's lesson is social studies. In this we are going to attempt one of the exercise of chapter My Beautiful Pakistan, that is question number 4 given on page number 19 of your social studies book. In this we have to locate the provinces of Pakistan on its map. So students, in our previous lessons we have discussed about the different provinces, about the 4 provinces of Pakistan, and we have learned the names of the 4 provinces of Pakistan and also about their different cultures and the capital city of each province. So students, now we are going to learn the location of these provinces on the map of Pakistan, and we will be locating these provinces on the map of Pakistan. So students, first of all, let's learn about the map of Pakistan. Let's learn the different parts and the provinces on the map of Pakistan. So here you can see the location of the provinces that are Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. These are the 4 provinces of Pakistan. So here this one is Sindh, S-I-N-D-H, Sindh. It is the province in which we all live and the capital city of Sindh is Karachi. Then just beside Sindh we have Punjab. This one is the province of the one that I am pointing towards is the province of Punjab, P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab, and the capital city of Punjab is Lahore. Now here we have Balochistan. This whole is the province of Balochistan, which is the largest province by its area. B-A-L-O-C-H-I-S-T-A-N, Balochistan. Students, this is the province of Balochistan and the capital city of Balochistan is Quetta. Now we have the 4th province, that is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It's here, it is located here. This is the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, K-H-Y-B-E-R, Khyber, P-A-K-H-T-U-N, K-H-W-A, Pakhtunkhwa, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is Peshawar. So here is the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So these are the 4 location of 4 provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now there are some additional parts. Let's learn about them as well. Here this whole part that you can see here, this is this is called the part of Jammu and Kashmir. Basically this is the disputed territory. Why do we call it a disputed territory? Because conflict is going on this part of Kashmir. So that's why it's called disputed territory. It's called Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan doesn't have this part. And then here we have Gilgit-Baltistan. This the one I'm pointing towards is this one is Gilgit-Baltistan. G-I-L-G-I-T, Gilgit, B-A-L-T-I-S-T-A-N, Gilgit-Baltistan. This is another additional part on the map of Pakistan. And here the small part that we can see here, this one is Azad Kashmir, the part of Kashmir that is included in Pakistan. This is Azad Kashmir, A-Z-A-D, Azad, K-A-S-H, Kashmir, Kashmir. So this small part is the part of Azad Kashmir. Then here we also have Arabian Sea at the south of the map of Pakistan. Arabian Sea, A-R-A-B-I-A-N, Arabian, S-E-A, Arabian Sea. Now students, what do we have to do here? It's the question number 4 that is present on page number 19 of your social studies book. It's an empty map of Pakistan. Now as we have already learned about the location of the provinces and the additional parts on the map of Pakistan. So by this time now we can easily locate the provinces on the map of Pakistan, isn't it students? Now it's very easy for us to locate the provinces on this map. It's an empty map and we have to locate the provinces on it, and later you can color it as well. So students, let's start with the first province in which we all live, that is Sindh. So let's locate Sindh on the map. Okay, so students, here we have the province of Sindh, Sindh, Sindh. So students, quickly hold your pencils and write this down in your social studies book. Mention the province of Sindh, which is the province in which we all live, and the capital city of it is Karachi. Sindh, Sindh. Okay students, now let's locate another province on this map. Okay, the next province is Punjab. 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 Here is the province of Punjab. Students, quickly mention the province of Punjab on the map of Pakistan in your book. Punjab. And the capital of Punjab is Lahore. So here we have the province of Punjab. Next, let's look at another province. Okay, then we have Balochistan. So here, which is the largest province by its area, is Balochistan. So quickly mention this in your book. Balochistan. Balochistan. So students, here is the province of Balochistan and its capital city is Quetta. Now let's look at the last province, the fourth province, that is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So here this is the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Students, this is the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. You have to write this down in your social studies book. Khyber, Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa, Pakhtunkhwa, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Quickly mention this in your book, students. Now these were the four provinces. Now let's also mention the additional parts on the map of Pakistan. Okay, here this is small part which I also showed you in the map that I was showing you before. So this part is Azad Kashmir, Azead, Azad, Kashmir, Azad Kashmir. This is small part is the part of Azad Kashmir. Now here this part is Jammu and Kashmir, as I have already told you about this portion, that it's a disputed territory. So here you have to mention Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmir. And here we have another part, that is Gilgit Baltistan, Gilgit, Gilgit, Baltistan. Gilgit Baltistan. So also mention this on your map, on the map of Pakistan. So students, this is how you are going to mention the four provinces on the map of Pakistan, and which are Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and also Jammu, the additional parts that are Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit Baltistan and Azad Kashmir. So students, you have to mention all these on the map of Pakistan, which is given on page number 19 of your social studies book. I hope you all will find this topic very much interesting, students, and I hope you all have understood the map of Pakistan very well. As a student, it's the map of our country, so we must be aware of the provinces and the places of this map. So students, I want all of you to complete this work in your social studies book on page number 19. Complete the map of Pakistan and also color it very neatly in a very neat and tidy way. Do your work and take good care of yourself. Thank you.